erupting. Go, erupt. There it goes. Ooh, it's green. That one's green, huh? Awesome. Tell me what color this volcano is. Yeah, tell me what color that one is. Orange. Huh? That's so cool. They're growing, huh? Tell me what color this one is. That one didn't erupt very well. Let's make that one erupt a little more. There it goes. Awesome. What color is this one?
Pink.
That one's not going. There it goes.
Pink.
Oh, it smells like vinegar now. Okay, what color is this one?
Yellow.
Is that so cool? I wonder if there's enough left to make any of them erupt again. Maybe that one would do it. Oh, a little bit. There it goes again. Because it's way fun to erupt, huh? There they go. Whoa!
Candles.
Yeah, you guys know your colors, don't you?
Hello.
I was looking for a reason to use up this vinegar. Look at that one go. That one go.